14 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ 2024ರಿಂದ ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. BWS ಎವ್ರಿ ವರ್ಷ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 14 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ BWS ನೀರು. ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡವಾ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ಪವರ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಅವರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಧ್ಯ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾವು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ KRC ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಪರೀತ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಯಾರು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಂಸನೆ ಹೇಳುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈಗ 400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
Last 10 years, the water tariff in Bangalore has not been increased. It is suffering a great loss. We have to take new projects. No bank is coming forward to finance. So every year we are having a big loss. So there is no option. I am just working out the possibilities.
So clearly DK Shivkumar there realizing the import of that decision if that is made, and he also says that there is no option. But as expected, the BJP, that is the opposition now in Karnataka, has picked up the entire issue and they say, we told you so. The Congress has made mindless guarantee promises and they have no money to fulfill it, and they say that this is cheating the people in the state.
बताया जा रहा है डीके शिवकुमार की तरफ से, डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर की तरफ से, कि पीने के पानी पर भी जो दर है वो बढ़ाई जाएगी. मतलब पीने का पानी भी महंगा कर देगी कर्नाटका कांग्रेस की सरकार. दूध भी महंगा कर दिया. ऐसे अनेकों चीजों पर दाम बढ़ा दिए. पूरे देश में ये लोग महंगाई 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 करके प्रोपेगेंडा करते हैं और अपने राज्यों में पेट्रोल, डीजल, पीने का पानी, दूध सब पर दाम बढ़ाते हैं. बिजली पर दाम बढ़ा दिया. हिमाचल में भी यही किया. ये दिखाता है कि कैसे अपने वादे पूरे तो करना दूर रहा, 1-1 लाख रुपए उन महिलाओं को देना तो दूर रहा, पर कॉमन मैन, किसान, गरीब आदमी की जेब से पैसा कैसे लूटना है.
The only guarantee which Congress has given to the state of Karnataka is everything has been hiked. The obligatory duty of the BWS is to supply water. They are not able to supply. It's once in a week. Some places there is 15 days of supply in some places, and they have got 40% loss, water loss. That they have to plug in. That they are not plugging in, and the administrative is a failure because the revenue compared to the salaries of their staff is more. That they have to do something about that. And Mr. Siddaramaiah is a champion of the finance. Whenever he says, I have presented 13 budget, 14 budget, 16 budgets. He should look into this reforms thing, and he should see that the prices should be less to the common man.
We also have our colleague Deepak who's joining us live right now to get you more details on this big story. Deepak, would it be fair to say that the Congress is stuck between a rock and a hard place? They made huge promises, obviously without realizing from where will they get the money. But the point is that the same party that had a so-called Karnataka model, a guarantee model, is finding it difficult right now to not pass on that burden to the Aam Janta, to the common man.
Well, Deepthi, when the statement came in from Mr. DK Shivkumar yesterday, it was very speculative whether he was actually referring to an increase in water tariff or whether he's saying that, despite the problems that the water board is facing, they're not increasing it for the common man. But today, when I spoke to him a little while earlier, he's making it very clear that, the board has been suffering, banks are not giving loans, there's a lot of problems, and right now hike of tariff is probably the only option is what he has said. While, of course, they're saying as of now, while they will probably get that proposal to increase, they will put it before the public. The question here remains as to whether this is another impending cost rise that the common man will have to bear, who has already been saying that, we are paying for increased fuel, we are paying for, increased milk prices, and now it looks like the water as well will increase. And more importantly, with the fuel, you'll also see essential commodity prices as well going up. This is a problem that they have been expressing, a concern they have been expressing, over the last few days after we've seen an increase. But right now, the justification that comes in from the Congress party is that it's been over a decade that there hasn't been an increase. The water body needs to really function, pay salaries, also improve its facilities, and in terms of services provided and the charges that they levy, they just don't, there is no comparison. But the BJP, of course, has hit out and said that this is the effect of the guarantees, mismanagement of funds, that, the situation has really, come into picture. So we'll really have to see what the state government decides in the days to come.
Absolutely.